How to improve your college grades without much effort. Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Education. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every college student's mind. How to improve your college grades without much effort. That's right, it's about working smarter, not harder. So buckle up. Let's be honest, we all want better grades. But who wants to spend every waking moment buried in books? Well, I've got good news. You don't have to. Here's a breakdown of some key strategies to make the grade without breaking a sweat. Section 1. Organization. Our first stop is organization. Having everything in order can save you loads of time. Let's take a look. Create a study schedule. Outline your classes, assignments, and exam dates. Break them down into manageable chunks. That way, you won't end up cramming at the last minute. Use technology wisely. Tools like note-taking apps can help you keep track of essential information without sifting through stacks of paper. Clear workspace. Keep your study area clutter-free. A tidy space leads to a focused mind. Section 2. Effective study techniques. Next up, let's talk about some smart study techniques. Active learning. Don't just passively read your notes. Try teaching concepts to a friend or using flashcards. Engage with the material. Pomodoro technique. Break your study sessions into chunks. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. Use study groups wisely. Find peers who are serious about learning. They can provide different perspectives and make studying more enjoyable. Section 3. Health and well-being. Here's something often overlooked: taking care of yourself. Sleep well. Your brain needs rest to function at its best. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Healthy diet. You are what you eat. Fuel your brain with nutritious food. Regular exercise. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Even a brisk walk can do wonders for your concentration. Section 4. Utilize resources. Don't forget to make the most of what's available. Talk to professors. They're there to help. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek clarification. Use library resources. Your library has more than just books. Explore online databases, attend workshops, or consult with a librarian. Join relevant clubs. Engaging in activities that align with your studies can provide a fun way to reinforce what you're learning. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. By embracing these strategies, you can improve your college grades without exerting too much effort. It's about being proactive, strategic, and mindful. So what do you think? If you have any thoughts or additional tips, be sure to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more college success tips. See you in the next video.